SOMPA 106.5 FM with a time exactly 20 minutes past 3. A very good afternoon to you. You're welcome to For God and Country. And today representing the 10th day in the month of June 2026. And what is it about Mother Ghana that you'd have to know? What is it about Mother Ghana that you'd have to understand? What is it about Mother Ghana that you think say a good year ebe bua aye Ghana? Baby obiano yama kwaba yama waha for God and country sunie on behalf of I was also thinking of coming to the office right now. But you look so good. No, there be anti-Akushago. There be anti-Akushago. You can do this. Tenasi. Now, at the saying.
Oh, Nyamia Dumo.
Bibia Bokore.
Onyami Guswa Boyenina.
Manager Bakope. Ye, Akusha Nyame Bowo.
Medas.
Wash your teaming.
Ye.
Shawenima. Shawon. Shawon Sia Guenum. Shawano. Ni brofo a wote ni twi a wo wanwa papa
me prof ba ko pe
na uni ma dia ma me ni je ho pa you are grounded in God.
Yeah was ko odi is it the fro odi o is it fro hey ko bla bochi e ke prof say odi
but your anti akuso nyabotre le chi ni sisi ya
mami ti
answer na wotwi ebe ko wie obi diska kese ebebrew
amen
na nyame se men kan cho se skare udi jame a wan che ha obi tia
we are the prophesy anu no many wa bedi SOMPA na me no na chance
that's right.
Kese ya nyina na ebedi
oh hallelujah hallelujah
say say the opoto ma ne fe no ode ne nsa bomu bi ye
yeah me that's
so yesterday na metie your it was so power me who said go people were Prof, Mami Kotie be the argument was powerful. I saw the video everywhere on TikTok and all that.
That's
it was so powerful. It was so aye adwuma. Obi anim say Prof de onu ogina mfimfi. Oni obi program ne deal ne honam say for God and country.
For country asa.
I know.
Ye gina ho ma nyame.
I know.
And ye gina ho ma o man Ghana. Ye enta obi echi. Ye badre ye enta obi echi. There be enta obi.
Na voice so na be say the afternoon voice and I'm so say dear Modia man that said the afternoon voice
Patrick are you bad bema
menka but the kinds the afternoon's voice
but one said that akosia ago ni din ago wagu ni minimum me berami o wagu ni minimum
the afternoon voice
the afternoon's voice a feminine voice
Bray wo di the birthday ba
na birthday
oduma kuma chia me the birthday he wa jiha babia oduma kuma kitchen afa ha nyina de dokono ye yellow corn one kai Master Bright yellow corn dokono oma onu kra wa surprise maybe keep up the
Nyame.
On said the biameka say say wudua aba enye say wudua na na germinate
sure
ese say wo gusunsu
no kre
ese say wo twen
no kre
ansa na efifi
good
na edua bi wo ho a wo de chef for ma edi 3 months
sure
e bi edi 1 year
sure
the oak tree enye say wo de chef for ma na ba you have to wait adentia because o pagani mu a de wo ye no ebro ntimi nye
sure
it is sometimes you know say wo ye bibi na say it is worth it na ade no dachi ni mu odu a eya na ahyase no yes wo hu the extent of your battles na the extent of your blessings
sure
and you won't say we bana who your responsibility is to stand
and okay
and the stamina and the vigor to stand is and now we persevere in the face of trials. Usu no sorry. A righteous man will fall 7 times and get up 7 times. Usu no sorry. Now consider ba no sorry. Bad news aba no sorry. Delay aba no sorry. Oh dear no, the strength you need from God to take one day at a time. Because as for the promise dear, you well assured. Eye den a ebebem.
Sure.
But one sha in the middle no.
Yeah.
Any man can take you out.
It's true.
Before the Kairos moment.
No correct.
The day of the promise and the manifestation of the promise.
Sure.
Now between the promise and the manifestation, you know, enfimfin ho no.
Yeah.
We have the stamina say battles na eba no. We beba betrayals beba disappointment beba into the end so any time that's why we pray.
Sure.
It's prayer and religious activity. We pray to gather strength.
Hallelujah.
Oh, we pray to gather power. Say me bana me better say obia stab me in the back.
Yeah.
I will still move on. Menka say because of the stab in the back me.
Sure.
No. Me bana me better say obia slander me. Menka say because of the slander me no. I will get the power and the ability to move past the slander.
Sure.
That is why we pray. So
sure.
we pray to gather momentum. We pray to gather strength. Say all the because life in the say we live in a fallen world.
It's true.
We are see enti niema wo ho niema be ko tia wo enti wa ho odin a wo hia no and they said there you show up. It said that for God and country, there you show up. There you show
every
up.
Day.
There you show up. Things may not go well, but you show up. And Yama may know you show up. In showing up now, day after day, day after. One day, by the time you realize, how did I get here?
Sure.
But now what drew
no thank you for your inspiration.
Keep on keeping on.
Thank you for the motivation. Now, Black Stars.
And the senior national team, the Black Stars. Mid-year. Prof.
Yes.
The two coach Otuado no.
Yeah.
Any concert two obia will be ase. The obre nedio.
The obre nedi.
Se wo bre e bo team e ma ne qualify for World Cup.
Near you
free wa.
Last minute.
Enti na no amete se GFA chairman Okreku ka say.
Yeah.
On person mo dana say. So that is not enough. Me na maboa me yede me ye ko World Cup.
Sure.
Yakobo friendly match. Now, who qualify for World Cup in a friendly match? Yet with the same weight. Weight. Who qualify for Nigeria? You were big teams or man qualify. Nigeria for squad no more. You beneath the senior national team, the Black Stars. I'm telling you. Nigeria for squad in the Kutawomono. And you beneath Black Stars squad no. Nigeria squad.
But all man qualify.
But they didn't qualify. Italy Crampo one qualify. 4-time champion Italy one qualify. The senior national team na wo ho no wo mo yanku ni
so you feel say
the point is they o ma ye unfair to coach Otuado because the team no kura na e wo form no wa ye the best e de o ma qualify team na emu oha no kakra na wo no wa manage a penetrate then you take him out and bring a foreign coach.
But say Ghana for ya no ya.
And you say
Ghana for ya no ya.
Ya no ya so at the same time na niam chia o mesa kobo coach Otuado. Enti say wo di Ghana for animu a e say wo nya stamina wo ti betimi contain wo mo voices. Me patcho wo tie prof wo tie yi. Wo ti se circle ye yi nipa enkrofo nya dede enkasa aban ne ye betu no. But the o ye na nye. Say ye. The o ye ne ye. Otie voices a wonye da say wo hwensu a etone ma yiri a ene ada ya jiri gu a aban ne hia akokoduro courage a obejiri dan bi egu ojiri gu a enye nipa bi the but it is the right thing it is a wo share the senior national team the Black Stars akwan a di coach afaso because na okoye ne patcho friendly match be ne awe ne
ba ku bi o dey bordraw ya bordraw ba ko
ba me say ya win I'm talking about ya win
but say draw is better than
no but ya win
but draw is better than see lose
the opoto man fie no the bomu bia edia eyeye they have been unfair to coach Otuado because bra ye nyina na dan a okobo friendly match na ye hu performance ye eti enkofa coach from na no me o me fa
but friendly matches no hwe bi
me hwe bi pa I want
the performance na ye
she o say coach bia ne strategy a wo de ye adwuma and na say wo be call World Cup wo be try ebi because entine about friendly matches friendly matches no ebe mu ohu
it is to assess the player
and the purpose of a friendly match is not even to win.
Sure.
The purpose of a friendly obe assess o squad. Omo to say we defense obebu ni yana, we striking no obebu ni yana. Enti wo you now ye try and error. Now the way about you are testing your player and your players. Enti wo brem wo so be na me hwa de wo ye forward be me say forward no be good and say enti wo dane in a friendly match. Yeah. Now they are prepared, now they are shisha wo hu. Sa na ye de ye. Enti that is the purpose. Enti mistakes beba. But in the course of the mistake, no. Now we readjust. It's over because I want when friendly match into Onyadia. Now what are you talking about? Because the friendly match itself, the purpose of it is to test your squad.
Sure.
Is to assess your squad.
The strength.
The strength
of the players.
And who players baby obia strength, one baby obia weaknesses. Now one managing na I prepare well for it. Now na Ghana for the na refo say ya die. Ya die.
Now say Ghana ha we unim say Yankasa yendoye ho.
Prof, ya die.
Yendoye ho asoman ho.
Ya die mu a ni sika na be ban be betena he ya. Ya die o. Ni atona twene.
Rather unfortunate.
Because e dey change na last minute no, change na we ye no last minute change enti dey. Because last minute change na wo ye no. Anko ya next time no. Now was another opportunity. It's by the time I'm 3 friendly matches in you know who say ampa now I'm solid.
And the Ghana I'm paying for a year coach, I don't know. Nyami bu betime fu a team nankasana.
Well, oh the yem for spirituality and say yem for spirit, but next time they should be very careful. Because oman delay. But
opening match, nyami adom watching at 7 p.m. Mexico, South Africa, uye bibini. Obe support South Africa.
South Africa.
Antiako. I'll put you on the spot.
South Africa.
Yes. On support you.
Xenophobic attack. South Africa.
Continent.
Omo kan ho.
Bibi man.
Ye de beche omo na yata omo chi.
That was what I was expecting.
Ye de beche omo but on senka omo mistreaty ya. And the support no the passion no and Quebec Osromo. And yet easy say Ghana need support to South Africa. I'm telling you. And yet easy say Ghana need match and opening match.
And right, you're testing.
Oh yes, ebe because you share quite fast so. And next one share video be a Ghana need blogger be or match no.
I'm saying who South Africa. Your friend is.
I will be a see a mom man.
Oh, your friend is saying.
I'm not watching.
I was so MPP activist be.
Yeah.
Yeah, me who no. Oh, me refugee no.
Me ref BBB tab BBB DBB. Enti ebe din sa Ghana fo benya akoma papa. Because there be a prof me kan wo radio see say. Say o mistreat nipa o ma dwembone ba nitrim.
And they no cray.
Say nipa no akoma pasa de.
Adwembone be ba nitrim.
Say o mistreat obi ama dwembone ba nitrim.
No cray.
Eti di oma ye no ebe din say Ghana fo be bompa yes South Africa be win.
Ebe win this match no.
This is by divine ayibi.
Media chom nyame adom o kina nwumre be support ro. Me kan sanse bu amanfo. Mexico.
Prof mpacho me besra.
Yo, anti akoso ebe na wase nyame kan ho.
Na me se me hu wacha ma feel.
Ye wo.
Any adwuma pa wo ne producers ni.
And thank you so much for blessing us with your beauty.
Me that's it.
Anti akoso.
Yes.
Me producer say me nase for God and country. Anti akoso, we want to say a big thank you. You're very, very grateful for the wire my
or no person ujina na nemu na
nasa untonable. You produce you fast somebody feel one.
That team way.
Na dia copy 2. So what you say? You know,
and maybe a chum nanka we stream nanka me kame sesana na me.
Team way that miss
because team way there. Me beye nanka wada na anadwo wa ya anadwo adwuma na mame eti me ya nam so
Debbie anti akosia Debbie
for God and country nko
Debbie
Safo kantanka gine ho ba bia
but anti akosia
yes
senior bright or say me gina na name mfa seda emfa mawo ne dia waya ma no o se na ni so pa dia waya ma no nyina no na ni so
ono se na adwuma panso yensu ye ni so
sure
sacrifices
yeah nyame nshira why
amen
nyame nshira
amen
on tray we shim
amen
o ma wo bi nka ho
Prof Bacho 5 for the year Bacho Prof Bacho
spirit in the casado hey
odia mame fancha Patrick na me san fancha Safo kantanga
na me don fancha me
oh we didn't mean himself
me no 3 girls na ka 2 boys no omo my house obviously daddy we want to come out. See daddy we want to come out.
No mean him say be our retirement
Debbie Share.
Unko retirement wa wom.
Anti akosia se me na kan.
Sir.
Anti akosia ben fa sa ba.
I will pension baby.
Debi. Anti akosia baby me wo no. Ni baby me free ba no.
Ai, wo hia.
Me hia be ma. To your ba office obetimi ama be ma. Ahulele. Safo.
Safo. Bro.
Anti akosia na se ba so ba. SOMPA 106.5 FM, 25 minutes to 4. For God and country, so near you na boa for you better must say. You better endpoint homeopathic clinic. You better must say, sir, one more aboying. They be almost almost say it is the end to chronic diseases. Yare kwankra do kracha ojin wenje, but modern national endpoint homeopathic clinic. So I make come for time herbal mixture, Eddie Amao. Time herbal mixture, a ahubine boy drew. As I drew no more, I dear friend in malaria, being your da. Said no more, a dear friend the typhoid, oboa. Said no more, a dear friend the jaundice fever, oboa. And the bombarding Maninya unsio a ben one upon one bobby, and you ran one bobby. Me patcho malaria, and chonam put malaria and a chawan as a typhoid the chawa. Me patcho wedrane time herbal mixture. Now time HH Mr. and the capsules in the nutriment, a man and member drew papa be. Hey! Bema bazo jina suche. Bema nemun sayade hawa. Bama nemun sayade hawa. Bomodin parape. Time HH Mr. and the capsules. And also a boy ye pa. 21st clinic in the way. So almost where I wherever you are under the sound of this great voice, people would want to say that yes, indeed. Sciatica originator, the sciatica expert, the sciatica commander. Oh, you better almost say 21st clinic. When you make one must say Yatanasia for God and country, you may know. Yeah, bro. Patrick, like you saying,
Prof. Namia Daroma.
Maybe I'm a
That's what the middle of the week. Or the year, or the year, cranka.
Nyami brutalo.
Nyami,
great Onyamios. Great Onyamios. Brutal Onyami. Brutal Onyami. Yami, pa.
Now, Prof. On the most of them, I'm for Wincham. Your manager, in fact. Or your bear moon.
Oh, Obiri na come from Zan.
Oh, adie far.
Emo Auntie Akosia go on.
Ah,
she's a complete epitome of beauty.
Ah,
inside out.
Shana dressing cry.
Hey,
Charlie.
Auntie Akosia, she's been blessed. The husband is blessed.
Mr. Boaje.
Mr. Boaje is blessed. Mr. Boaje, baby, I'll be out of your child. But now, I cried. It's a perfume can cry. And you could say, guy. Now, Patrick, now, minority forces singer.
Minority for didn't know there. Minority in parliament. Did the Yamude.
Didn't know
I
minority for.
Say, I saw more especially no more head.
Was I told the Bina say, a yada near me be a yemia. Near me be a yemia. Patrick, on a more serious note, let me quickly walk you through Safari Hospital and minority for Nakopiewa and Huabasem. Mami walk you through the journey. April 2008. And I am man Penin Kufo under NPP. Almost signing a memorandum of understanding with Eurojet the Invest. 2008. And almost signing a memorandum of understanding. Now, after 2008, you know, Yatuaba a year somewhere November. Okay, said done MPP Elusu elections, you know. Emma a year President Mills, yeah. And John Mahama as vice, and they take you over the mantle.
That's right.
Now, when we take you over the mantle, no, a whole enormous cut sword for the Eurojet projects. Maybe a one enormous cut sword no for the Eurojet project. Now, in 2012, a whole Your man penyin autism here. Wabra na your man penyin. Finalize all the financial arrangements for the start of Afari Military Hospital.
2012.
2012.
Correct.
On March 2nd, 2014, and under John Dramani Mahama, the first term, no, and almost started the physical construction of the Afari Military Hospital.
That's right.
Now, Thierry, from 2017 to 2024, and then they see under President Akufo-Addo. And then they see for 8 solid years. Mo betina bemu, mo ntimi anye hwe amfa ho. For 8 solid years. And you were waiting, say, within that 8 years, you know, mo be try say mo be commission. And upon that time, deadlines, you know, mo shifty deadlines. Mo ntimi an commission. Now, yet to about 2024, a year, 2025, February, and the then Minister for Defense, and the young president, a modern visit site, you know, and now one more promises say, on Bebiano, by September 2025, that will be the completion.
That's right.
And Kwankuri. July 2025, because your man paying His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I can say, hospital no, I had na womu a commission here. That was during his thank you tour. And now, as we speak now, hospital no, it's not fully operational. Now, the problem I have now, Nana say, the minority in parliament. What picture are they trying to paint? Minority for more Ghana Marachebegem. What picture are they trying to paint? You had good 8 years. When Timmy my Ghana, as far as the Afari Military Hospital is concerned. When Timmy Miano, who been a start EO, and I'm over J. When Timmy and Timmy then operationalizing
8 years.
8 years. And now you have the gut. So who go? Who go? Inspection ben akwakoye.
Minim yo mkohe wo.
Inspection ben omkwakoye. No, some of politicians are worrying us as a nation. And now lawyer keke se bebe tana haka you. This MPP and NDC thing. This MPP and NDC thing. I am praying say Ghana ha ye way. You be your third force political party. Now no videos we are any video pictures we are na me hu about social media also. Me hu honorable Kennedy Japan. Me hu Alan Kojo Chirmantin. And now I chada. Me nim say AI generated and I say AI generated. Say ankanya AI generated yeah. Then they must both put their, all of them must put.
Big guy, rough. Because it's here, baby, on my
and even Krano, Afari Military Hospital. I know, sir, it's a military for us. And it's a minority. Our Gadam Rashebe Dream, the Committee on Health, ranking member. Say one more person who visited site now. You don't think, sir, there should be proper procedures and channels through which are.
That's right.
On the fans and Omako.
That's right. You are right.
Afari, that hospital. A soldier for us. That 500 bed capacity hospital. Military for us. So, if that place has been declared as a military zone, and you want to go there as a meeting, you know, you can just barge in at any time. And Jeffrey is a 37 military hospital. Na me no say BBSC, you say how a military zone. as a minority, can you just get up and go there?
There should be procedures.
There should be procedures and processes. Mamenko amano so na mini municipal chief executive for enkomo na mamenko na me mano akwaba. Honorable Wadaroma, ewie ye ma akwaba for God and country so el SOMPA so na pacho na hot saying.
Yanko pa do ni na ba do me je.
Ye ho ye pa. Da mamimbi sawo. Ye ho mfonyin bi a enenam social media no so. Ana ya tese empenyifo bi so kasa from the minority side of Ghana's parliament. Womo ba Afari hospital, military hospital for some inspection. Na womo ba ye no mintimi ho aso bi ko ba ye ema security ana e wo ho no na womo mpese obema mo kwan amamawrem. San komo we no ye GDP say wona wo sa area ho. Saying and community pa.
Yo, edinkan ni afanyi mefa mafidi kesi tsunami den chama. Adeshia omuti nyina ene ewie. Na machi aga na wampani na daroma na pama mi baby a na mamu no mewe atwema beja adeshia so na nema opese wo ye no. Nyina na mu na menye fando adeshia ni mo atwema beja ni sikpa. Eno chiso no na chia atwema fu nyina na machi otiko koso mimi ameba wasendi chasene nianza saa mimi mansini krati penini nekase asante mantemu soafo yura Dr. Franka Mwakohine na oye working visit obaya meneni ni na eshia eno ye say ebe ko afari military hospital na ordinary akwa tofe mene asante mountain so afo ku bi wono security also mo mayengam until say omanya message from mo superior wono mo say ene regional minister any NC bebawo eni ti regional minister afre defense ministry and so mo regional command ama omo free back to the security no mo be to ayenya access you no kran yenya access to the main facilities because contractor no or ye adumani nyi handi over and farmer military and defense and yenya access on emum minister instructed me say hono mo enti obese say coming sanitation on Kaye na yemfa eno na me am yemen sinikati penina o se me do no DC ene say me try letter officially at the call for being and tana omo maya soja ko be di achi ema me ne me manfo ko chiechi be chi hospital asa say hono mo ye security zone contractor ni nya handi over farmer soja for eni no omuntu bia ni ase so ro bi ko ro na bibi ira omo ene be ko e bi tua sa cost no eni no omo ye ni sa enti anopai dia me te say minority aba hono no me I was in the office the whole day I'm in Pinko baby eni we have video no according to security train soldier ni ojina no question na obi so omo ne say who for actually say am authority send them mra no fama me ene dey some the bar I will allow you to enter baza mun kita adie bi actually say mo wo ho akwanya say mura embra ma mo kwan say wo say mo ba that is the whole thing.
Wow until the AC no
you see no o pesa o ko afari military hospital I was there object to me kratba edi free southern command on now they are brace soldier for no because soldier for no more 24/7 every birthday day soldier for
na minority ni eba ho no wa wo ye mensin krachia wo ho no wo monto nkrasa wo mo ba ho
amanto men krame di nu ya ne se nam social media so a ye mi kra mi di nu nam mu se ye se me ma threaten se o mo yo ho a mi o mo ho adi I want to say this thing on air. Clear. Say, me need any local or military hospital. No. It's not under my administration. It's not under health sector administration. Our defense ministry. And you will be a person who will be this will be approval from the defense. And so on the background to many artists. And to me, yeah, me was here, me man, so the mom and penny, and the Ghana this year. Me cry minority, but no money for me.
And said you will can say, na one more eka say, wona wase ebimu kutupa, say, my momu en rahono. Sasem no, o say, no cray.
Mini ho awodin military hospital no and I mean can set example this no and son am kra me ko dis am ko di tumi krata e wo mu say ti masa so ba mi ta tumi no ana soja ni bia ni obadu ti oba report ma me security for onye na mi ti omoka
na me mami bisa wo afare hospital no Mijini fi say woni mpanyimfo ta di nkomo woni regional minister di nkomo woni eye abanmu titru ye president ne woni eka ho nyina no mu di nkomo afare hospital on ye bisa say enti dem pa na aka sabri abantimi mbia no
yo ode me ba haya esa nsem ya na mijina na hye dua akunya o mantimi ntimi minim afare hospital wase
okay
na me constituency organizer don for edema ndc amanyukuru no ye 2009 banyina nti abra professor Nos edia so be bo kom na ye bi ti hospital ni na me ka party mpani bon wa atama
yeah
adwuma na up to be 70-80%. And aban no say man PP aban by from 2016. E be sin the project no de na aka da wono e sa na ti.
Nyabotre. MPP ba mamu from 2016 or 2017 to 2024 no. Wo man fa bibia fa nka ho.
Omanya hwe ho MPP for mpany go and one of the biggest campaign message. I'm the then candidate 2024 and I'm pitchy that and the chair member was there. They should look at this facility alone. Now I'm on top of my member machine get clean. Now you were saying many of my NDC upon you could be any team of the completely because you start here and MPP down on my band. And you see one for that 8 years and no man who's on by yes.
Really?
Me be here managing craft panino. Material letters too. Edibia defense, Edibia ba hug. So mo here into over. Our panini don't the money mama ba kumase. Na over lunch and coupon kitchen.
Yeah.
What can want some more? So very tough for military hospital. You did. Now no ya parliament. Almost I can want some honum. Your regional minister. You have an interview of parliament or cause the end of the day. I say a very idea of a military hospital. And we are saying never and I mean cow be I. 10 years for fear and water. Defense minister when you're the medical. You're Dr. Omaneboama. Omoba dino one or more year, Jumo, and I saw Oyuninu a buy. And in a funny so buy and non commission will begin stage by stage. And your baby and Comaya do bet you again a shot here, Juma. And they started installing air conditions. And I saw in see at the end of the day, said, Diana, a first average hospital. One day, look from reaching one, and you don't have dinner at the boy. Our mother, yes, our project in Wagman. In the end, a man, a photo, a crash. And you know, did you ever resume say, Dana, you know, can't somehow, yeah. enye obi na sabi obeka se me ba be hye ne se omra meye ansan wa beye eya ade ana otu ho anamo a wagina otu ko anim aka no mprenu so obere se obekom obeyi sa ade se na se eya omo that time omo dia so bo for no vice president
yeah mekai pa
ni aso bisaya eya sana asem ne tie
okay
ene enkomo a eda kuru adishie wa chuma be ja the break and say esia na minority caucus no under health eba no efie nwotwe na omu be di ade no manya bia ma adishie no na nne no omu de pressure eba. That is a conversation on the ground. Many are for be num adi nkomo omu nyina ka the same thing.
Anti nkomo omu die no
Enkomo ayinfo no eni kurumba na adishie ni di no.
Wow. And to one casaro washa hospital hono. Then pan I can see.
She a hospital is a medical cousin is a yenya access. Hospital. Because the Kaipa said in Fidiani Nima and this year by 2016 no only story no facility no banded sign. Mimi anamba no mo ka ban san ko pechika foforo di beso no enti anu ho adwuma ana na former defense minister onya ne ba bi ko 81 na mo asasem wi edisi ye enti masia fa video so na ma frega na mampani mini mi so wono de
pa homa no so na I know say na or in charge or Afari hospital project under Nanado's FM. We have lost him, but the Yabasa say Yansabesa Kana na Yanono Edin Komonewi on this particular subject right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Exactly 2 minutes to 4. Major retired there good run. But what I want to say. Major, if I don't tell Major, what are you but what you mean? Major, what are you but what you mean? Okay, let's try and see if we can get Major retired Derek Odru on the line so we can speak to him. But today, there is a bigger conversation here, and that conversation is going to be dwelling on the proposed ban of the EPA on the use of plastics in Ghana. The Santino Yaton Safre, Dr. Edward Asadus, or a sanitation expert, Wabefia, no eba bedi sa and komono. And yabahe na san komono yedi. Na mamin kao sir, you are both for what so asene. Medical ebuana papa. To when your malaria, we do at a time herbal mixture. Mamin kona many major retired Derek Odru ending komo. Major wadama yama kwa for God and country, so na pacho wapo to saying.
Oh yeah, me. I'm also a.
Yeah, we are papa. I tell you, papa.
No.
And that what is said, Dom Kuma, what Ghana Rashabim, Eddie, one any echo a year, Afari military hospital, echo chair. Now, in fact, in Funia near Sheno, now Funino, and near Yang, Yaman Shadan Jay Ewo. Now, what more call her crown in the first place, now, obviously, security said one more coin. But we are so jadine. You have been in the defense ministry before. Sir, you can say baby a military zone. A honor, sir, who call her over here permission.
You mean Yamidasi? Depending upon Nipano, I walk on. Baby, I walk on. The entire walk on. Sir, members of parliament, call baby. And Kanka Defense and Interior Committee. And now say any committee we are monitoring. Your committees are actually such so Parliament is made up of committees. And you are monitoring. Now the report about now by Parliament, on the floor of Parliament, one more debate on it. Say energy. Defense, finance, yeah, you be a foreign affairs, Your committees are a second so. And the committee they are making me up for depending on what you are looking for. Me, parliament, I was the chairman of Defense and Interior Committee. Now I agree committee. Now so many committees, about 4 committees. The Coco monitoring. Yeah, nobody can stop you from coming there, provided they say one more information say over there as parliament. Because hospital now a military hospital. But a ministry no and a soldier for no. Now me as a Defense and Interior Committee chairman, alcohol several occasions. And so at a 4 time and I was started here and go more senior Kumasi Sojala any of the call a farina, Sarababa Farinukran, or more at the court family. And I'm saying something I'm being more and almost idea, at the call. Something in my house, I say, oh, Feria, one more a year. MPP Abaya a cop, NDC Aba a cop, MPP Asaba a cop, Pilano in Yemie. The main Malami want to be a deputy defense minister. Not a project in election. Yeah, my call Netherlands, you call China, maybe I have talk and Yaman in Afrino. Not Yamalta, my son, I am obsolete. It's a cocoa change in modern type. Say a bed, say a scanner machine, say a engine, a collateral Philips company, no, Alcofa, upgrade, come on, it is parliament. You want a minority and your majority. The project to be a quarter and the minority no energy ability so. Almost to make some parliamentary questions. The serious questions there. I can say you know that you will hear through. And you want the parliament, I know about the so. Now, assurance committee, our parliament. Or what I said, I didn't wait, I was a guy. Now we are program as you are not any power piece or will be able to say. And now for the hospital, you're real hospital, I don't think I am here. You're real hospital, no, I don't think I am here. It's the parliamentarians all okay. No idea here now, buying person will be because I buy that there be no also no yeah, but we say. I say, be an empathy, dear. Parliament, everything action are buying. Also, as you saw, not actually near me. It is a security. Oh, no, I will say, it's just unfortunate because Yama, soldier for them. Yep, hospital, soldier for and the catchment area, no. Womo else come home. I won't
Major, many wouldn't come on, Yabutre, many wouldn't come on, okay, be say. Say, even in Pon, say, Ganam Rashabi dream, say, ye don't come, say, ye, the majority, say, Obia or Pasoko Hobiano. As I say, a military zone, no. I was say, Obama near Ansana Wako. Entesa.
Because so one more about one more idea for one more bank for now, one more parliamentarians now, another one more here for one more minister of health for now. If you have one more, you must say because question about on your visit. I guess I will be any more. I want to be woman.
Okay, and you know, Sano. Nanka dom kumano na hwan mu na ewo so mo bo mo amane say wo mo ko ho ansa na wo mako
one na so mo minister of defense amane also mo minister of defense amane so wo mo e ko ho akọ fact finding minister of defense and you form wo mo e ko ho say hu nya say contractor kora e tia wo wa defense and then contractor no how much members of parliament majority or minority or defense and interior committee or health committee or be now I tell you about banner or mama action woman now I'm going to do actually the woman here and the fact finding no so I'm going to just one more minister of defense amaniye the minister of defense a hospital no as you say
okay so what if say Edom Kumano Kohono Wamo mo the defense ministry amaniye almost sorry prekopeno mo koho and a security for no say there be obi anka hwenkyere say mo ba security no where they right
I don't have the fact so one more man yes so mama and the question aguta me say the procedure and say also you form defense that mo koho now I'm a fact finding. It is all more and you, so more and you are privy to or more echo copy.
All right, and you know, under your watch, Wabrana, we deputy defense minister, Afari Hospital, MPP in government for solid 8 years. Additions ben amode kan maybe say Afari Hospital amobeto ye from 2017 na eba hospital no dem pan amode kan
oh there was about 30-40% complete MPP and that was what he said almost you hand over. And that's the commission. That people not also go to that place. Go now foundation level. Everyone, maybe crowd floor crowd one year. And never every contractor no. And to quite see one subcontractor like them. Me na me see here. It's every a call baby. I for fair state to crowd. Fair the project to crowd. I'm going to go. And over SIN for floor. It is here from Pale, really 50% to cry. But MPP now, I'm not so this stage.
Ibacho, anyway, mini Achima and Wabija, Fred is saying, MCA din komo. Na Ochiremia, Afari Hospital, MPP, one for Fiankan.
Politics, maybe our way. Politics they be a warrior. Hospital no Africa. I don't know a dedicated man in the day man. You try one at all. Am I a Husika at the ready? South here. And yet GOG and your government of Ghana a Sika and Romodi. And yet add your home loan at the hall and the contractor then no much of the certificate a year of Sika you want to and then what do I want to win yet? The same deputy defense minister. All projects are now for women in charge. Mr. Boy, now baby now war, granny and toy. Columns on Kwan and IST. Columns on Kwan and IST. And you came out, at all work. We're home, your boss swore at the and you may agree. The BRM helicopter call. The BRM committee. I want a minister of defense. I guess so. I have minister of defense the project. So, yeah, I call here. You know.
But
politics now. Oh, yes. Ghanaian politics now. And one, we are fire. We are fire. And yeah, we go to Sika. Yes, I'm going to go to Sika.
Aerojet project. Aerojet project.
Aerojet, yes. Dedicated money. You need to know. Then you write. Now the certificate. The commission of the finance. Now why? Now why? It drew me to crown. Now Aerojet. Now what can be said? Some when you tell me I'm a Yama so nowadays. Why estimate review. The committee of finance. Omo approve bi. Omo approve bi. It's a whole lot of things. Let me say, but you want a more I'm here. One, my guys are missing the Netherlands, the China. I want to you. It will because MPP time no Omo very bien can one. Now we need your worker.
Anti wabra MPP muba ben mu no that's our project no. Now about 60% completed, Anna.
They say below 50% completed.
But
me, who said? Then be I only read the budget and idea. Now, if I have got no much chapter of it, I could call up. Maybe be anymore. No one yet.
But documents available to me suggest say now it was about 70% completed.
Oh, let me say, you'll be able to be able to say, you know, correct. And you know, correct because I am here in charge. Tender committee. I want a year to defense. Then I'm a chairman of the tender committee. I other project in the and after the project in the baby. I am the baby. I also every many almost every month to be every month to be call. I call two times in a month.
Okay, so wabra Major wabra na move free abenya no so no. Percentage ben am the count.
Oh, I wouldn't be able to tell you. If you have what traffic you want, traffic actually, maybe a political actually, so who's a maker, so
Major, with the wow dish,
it's okay. I suppose to have told you that I'm coming to
Matthias, Major Matthias, what this share me? Na Major na sa won come nkwara. Major retired there could we better was it. Na mo na ye na police for nche why. Misrel. Oh God. Exactly touching after 4. We're going to be right back after this break. Yeba politics hon komono. Yeba bedi.
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello.
Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, Echo US.
Na no crowd who crowd from me mama nia.
Na Papa mo hot to say.
Awurade aduma haboko.
Na ko jejesi. Ekwo bosem penemo. De woton adanse ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de.
Oh, wo hye ho. Ekwo ba. Mesi wo bodwuma kra sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bondin sa na.
Hey Papa, US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adanse ho niam de. Obian sin na kojejesi company limited na matese wo bie depo kasie bi e wo kasoa e ho na wo bia koto adanse ho niema na eye no kura papa
no kura pa a police station in Chanhua.
Hey, a kuoba sempre monono. Onye mereda.
She, we kura no miensemua and we be en fufuro yawo. Baku obu akwa sepase kumase. E baku so pokua se nkran ha. Obi ase na na kodwojasi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and na dua plywood and just said about dance ro. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo eni pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wosa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City Amanfrom wosa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwesu Akra road Femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93.
Nana Kojejesi Company Limited.
Hey, a kuaba simprimo no.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homayen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa kire ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family. and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entwa wo ho hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Ewra me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi
bra aden enen so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun ani wayi me ensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esi agye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enunku o de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada no fo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se o petam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction
eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers ene herbal shop dodo na emu
Fre 0244 417669
kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ
FDA agi adwadie nkratoa yi atu
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for na would them
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye se 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gye din wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Aha! Just hot kinky.
just hot kinky
And your hot, just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A wo mo no. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
Yeah, wo Jorobon ewa ha okasama NDC amanyuko no, but in this instance, I want him to put on an objective view. Objective view atade no, and I'm person wo she. Jorobon it say. Bibi ayeboko de. Na ada na me interview ana wo sere.
Tell me questions now obisa nim the phone at a point in time no. Baby any they know that or that foul. Baby any they not surreptitiously you run away from it. And so basically you know that's what
relation bia wo kwa. Just a wudi kan bo a defense ministry now. Amane ansa na obekọ ho awakọ. So we are asking the minority. Wabra omutu amanon omutu anamon say womuko eye afari military hospital no. Anye bia no omobo defense ministry na amaniana.
Bochi mesan da was be na machi e watie for. Ani utim nyina tese mo bo adwumaden. Now you see yɛn fa nimpo sɛ even a current health minister honorable Kobna Minta Kando so ɔyɛ ne saa unannounced visit na ɔkɔduru health sector no koraa na wotumi mu back and forth ɛba so ɔno mpo na ɔyɛ sector minister nneɛma wɔ a yɛka nyɛ sɛ via MC da o ebi asi da wokae Akando do biem tam na ɔyɛ ranking member ɔwɔ health committee of parliament ɔsɔre sɛ ɔkɔhwɛ the state of lift na ɛwɔ Kolebu ɔkɔduru he was prevented and na yɛ ɔde man sɛ one more man you didn't tell us ɛsɛ nyɛ proud notice sɛ wɛ dɛn Obaha. But in any case, we see the MP for no more so more now. Almost say almost fight funding. And na man be say I didn't do okwa. E say we share contractor. Now we say me me say be no e den.
No we be contractor no. Good.
Na okwa no unannounced. The MP be ko contract no what to ko year no ko anything. Fight funding say oba be catch Ghana for say MP before no time na e wo aban mu no. Ye name ko e den e ko see say but then the NDC has come and then they've neglected the you know
the hospital.
The hospital. But unannounced, are you going to ask the security man? So for me, it's trying now. We go with few chronicles to talk about. I mean, so we have to take lessons from it, not necessarily scoring political points out of it. More minor.
And
say if I'm not to say I'm passing among. That was not the best way to go because you are going to find something. So who are you going to even ask or maybe open a coin?
So the question now is we have to find out from the minorities. No,
they if they are money. You see, look, let me tell you something. They are members of parliament. They are representing Ghanaians in their various constituency. So are you telling me saying Komo defense minister and now say even the health minister or even the district chief executive or the municipal chief executive there, they cannot be prevented. They are major stakeholder within our body politics. Ghanaians expect more of them. Now if you say minority ni the government will basically not be doing anything. But you opposition or they able to your toes no so because I didn't talk na say okay, you buy MPP you do 80%, but mama about 1.5 year. Then that can be a conversation for us to discuss. But at the end of the day, no, and a man and you military for one echo. The areas, the catchment area, or more, they will go, they are Ghanaians, they pay taxes, so they have to also benefit from this social amenities. But if the Okohona, now ordinary Ghanaian everyday mean say, basically you are doing nothing but pure politics.
So you
no, but that is what is played out.
And to conclude, say I am on some.
Oh, and I'm on some. Now you see the chief asked a very relevant question, and you see, Hana mark credibility of political class. Me can't be no any problem. In any case, you the young funny say MPP, no 40%, NDC Econo, 40%. Granted, I'm not saying the Okan, but the young funny say. So for MPP to sit in power for 8 good years. A region now, say ye Ashanti region free Ghana, Abakosima, MPP can never win power. They give you most of your votes, and you win for 8 good years. So you also added 30%. NDC ever said they a stronghold, so NDC has made it 40%. Now waba. So 60% MPP cannot complete with these 8 years. That's very unfortunate.
All right.
So I've only said, MPP as a political party, no, Omuna Sandemanya, so do you know what they're doing? They want to reignite and back, but rather no, in their course of doing that, no, they are also getting it wrong. Yours is to keep quiet, write a legitimate letter. Unin can come on the government idea. Can the government idea say so? Come out letter come defense minister, and that's so much letter come anybody, any state or Matabian. Nansa Komuko do and they will be prevented. That would have been a genuine conversation.
All right, so thank you so much, Mamin Kodamima. Dr. Edward Asados, Aquaba, or a sanitation expert. Dog net is saying, Bibi Abokode. Good to have you here. Yahoyepa. Ubaka Biafa Hospital once that you call into the major subject.
Oh, hospital no. Dear minim kakra na de me say. Nsem na wo bisa ni nyina costing answers no. Nsisi so. Nti say esemunya facts. Omo ekọ ye no tama MPB ba power no. Stage be na no madu. Mu hia ne pictures. Omo Efra abamu no stage bena no madu we nya chinye stage ena construction work no so stage nti stage bia obedru bia o raise wo o letter now they akwa jusika the final letter raise here no how many percent and I will raise because I do know ye stage be able to be an edusika ma undru ha yemfa usika ma nti sa documents no na ese mo finding out na munya the correct friends conversation emma afoforo wa bonten no so etie ena say one more course one man anje permission and also wrong.
Very wrong. Very wrong. I mean, that's it. We'll be coming to the substantive issue for which you are here. And the government's proposal through the EPA say on person banning the use of plastics in Ghana. I did some research about it. Some other countries have tried. They have succeeded. Ebi musu try. But one striking thing I noticed through the research say enforcement of the law. But mamenko amano sisia na mindi nkomo we emra sisia. Ye court na ye Honorable Patrick Boachi Dankwa Obuasi East MP na ye no edi nkomo. Honorable Wadarma ye mankwa baba for God and country so nde we na pacho wapom to say.
Me ka hapomu ye. Na mejemoso so na metia motiefo nyina
ene yenyane nchese buko piem wo Afari Military Hospital na de mudi mfonyi amutwa bekire Ghana for on the social media no na chese eyade a ha dwenye pa edi kan no moko no as a minority committee in parliament no muji permission and sana moko ho ana
Wachi Yadom Patrick.
Wachi Yadom Patrick. Okay. Thank you so much for the correction.
Ghana for. The Parliament we are the people's representative. After hospital, you Ghana a Japadie. And the hospital Ghana buying a Siama Ghana for, and I be PMO and to name. In a hospital, if you could do one security person at the home, and you introduce your hotel way here. Don't come more every day. It be any NTA. It is a quack. It is on all categories. David. A penny Bobby about the gate. And the young cook. The young cook gate to honor you put you. And I acquire and found your coin and penny Bobby knew. And the more person which you is there. And then can no more find any aircraft, come my find the young cook. Meanwhile, hospital. Ni idea ya ngongwe bia wo hono. And I'm not sure begin for so ye minority caucus or health committee. Then I hear one na aba ho. So be ye me ye bone. Ye me wi ade. Ye me say dan no. Nti ade nyina so na mudi. E nyina so ka say omo mai kwan me enko. Na akọ de asedi bi nti da. Enke bia o. Na now the danko kubo do apenso. Now the damn minority,
and I asked him, say, no, these are parliament and and I asked him, say, no, these are parliamentarians, the minority in parliament. Or say, no, still you'd have to ask in parliament. Or say, no, still you'd have to ask for permission. What about that?
The major they could do.
Yeah.
The Okasa, the beginning of the Soja Brano or Canoe. A Soja Brano or Canoe. This is no Academy civilian. It is near Massabé, let me Pavuvia Keke. I mean, I don't think a Koboko no yet from 4 airport. Yet, says to be a PPR, I identify who they are, Massabé for. I am Massabé. Akima Mabieja South, or Kahudi, honorable Jelly. Okay, a Kahudi. And the other war, and the many family war. It is always a call, you are going to be your home.
But the key question now is Ghana 4% who say, I remember, baby, I know once and I made bank crying. I was with the education sector when the Parliamentary Select Committee on Education under Nanado's government was visiting us in the Bunu East region. They gave us prior information, so I'm a bit lost if you didn't even inform 1 year ago and Sana Moko.
Security for Oba Ekameka, a local security, Minka police, and answer soldier for and answer the local security. Yes, local security, no, my primary employee. You want inside the middle of the catcher there. DP or a command of the just out Abaho or MC book. Abaho, and say, you won't find here, but one baby, one of the country. And you see a soldier or can't say, young gate, never gate. And you better there, and one of security walk gate on also. And if that they will be MC about there, I didn't think one may acquire me a room to a unit.
But I'm so surprised. So, I'm so surprised at the statement. What the mind say, MC in say, or no, or Pamo Abayana, no security or because any MC in this wedding common area. He tells us that on one office on call, on flow be so. That Yamukano, a Yerudo rather than some.
Me patrol, me am not sure again. Me can't try to inside and on the cat MC Nabaho. The MC in Kasaka say you need to me the hospital.
Now MC in the bar, MC in the bar, Muhuno.
Yeah, a media for about the MC Nabawa, Akuma Oka or no. If you have back ever to a run, no running soup. And if I didn't also see MC Nabawa and some say, only two so get in America, no unity with immediate effect. And you go, see the American you, again, I guess, you have a moment here about what I find there.
Hey, and this is a one kind of crash Ghana for. MC sir.
Let me have MC meeting. And it will be out there. The videos and everything are out there. All the videos are out there. So what is
okay, what
on your next reach?
Me pacho what you saw line no mama as menya MC you know what so because this is an issue. We need to get the facts right. Hello, Bidina. Oh, me pacho. Safreni bio. Pacho beti na to aso.
They say, who said the soldier for a photo of your mocha? Omuni ya no baba ye. And then the Kotu security, maybe now also now. Except that, your mama near say, ye don't kuma, you want help committee so. Yeah, but how the details know we are, and there's no way to the best because your hospital now, you know. I knew. And about one thing I'm gonna go in there, you got your mama by no, your idea. It's not going to make a family apple. They come here, no matter what I say. And the guy, obedient, I don't know, can't seminar, and yet, that's what you got your mama by now. I never too much the city patrol. The city patrol is over for prepaid, I'll get the man of 20 million. And yet, you're never gonna go the AC or a military hospital, and I said, young Kenyan joker, Tanko military borrow, no more my fire and Daniako, no more my fire.
And also yeah, sama and also everything possible. And at the same time, everything also impossible. But that kamu bisa permission and anka mama kwan and amamu fa kwan bi so de call ya and kebe who say why you afemudie. But for now no we can conclude say enya dia mu bisa permission. Na mbisa wo. Na mbisa wo under Nanado's government. Sure.
Ya mbuge omu biye gate my area. Omo ye nipa ban no ona omo be gate ma emere wura mu yanko wan ko ye boni bia enti ye boni ni se afari military hospital na abana ire jeje mu edan ni airtai yan wura mu ti yenim emfidie na wo hono de aye yanso emfie be de wo hono ya enti ga na go hu de e wo ta abana ya onye
okay
enti yanya boni bia
all right
yan break it down
okay
yan break it down
okay na wabra na mo wo aban mu no afari hospital no stage ben na mo beto here because some documents I've scrutinized this afternoon actually me say wabra mo ba aban mu no the hospital was about 70% complete sign na mo de kan
ye free aban mu na 98% complete ye free aban mu 7 January 2025 na ye 98% complete if we dey nyina gumo bibia wo ho helicopter pad wo ho bibia wo ho na aka power ntensem na contract ni kakakra aban su betia enti enfie ba ko ne fa do mama aban ba yi enani abre so be boa ne aso bu konko no chi problem na enka for military hospital na ye 500 bed capacity no accident and emergency nyina wo ho bibia wo about 15 theaters enti go ka so be so obi anko mi e.
All right, Biria, my fan common and see, my minasi pass and the o ma hokama ye no din komo nyame hira wai. Yo. Abusha for yani Honorable Patrick Boache Yadom and a din komo no ye NPP MP4 Obuasi East. Ajita.
Nti otiza o maimu a o awrehemu
asami o
any future
dog asampa na
Ghana any future
dog Ghana any future adidra
because yempese yebeka nokure yedi bibia ye politics nti enada ena oka yenya ohwe honorable members obia timiditro edin sa honorable no kranke mfa nitro enso ese wanye sa wontimi nya politics eye kokwa ese odane no na etuntum nti se ti omamu ne ese ebe ni se ya ebe na yi mukona mu yeko hu nkrofo dia na yede ese yeko holidays na omanye ni ye na omo de tro ene sana da ye ya enka mo kwa akodi holidays na o yare anka abeko nti yenhwe ne enye die yi ne enka no kure ma ye ho na enye
okay
we obetima request we say no
RTI
the area omo di tuaka no
then
aban be tie my advisor over 20 years in na mama sa advice by
yem fine advice na
mama sa advice by
yem fine advice na advice be
advice ni say mama fa you obi product there on bottle
bottle or a sponsor of our program
okay that's
you are free to use it
bottle we say okoto ba kwa obeto no let's say 1 cedi insu ewo mu no 20 pesos
sure
bottle no bo
insu no
so the only thing obey say refund no o the 1 cedi be wa be kan insu yi ho say onum insu no wi na de kwa obesan ko je 1 cedi o create job obia obehu se bottle we bi da fom bia no obekwa akwasisa de akọ santa no akwa jinisi
no 1 cedi
so uko Europe Ghana fo bi kura adwuma nya Ghana fo kura abofo no kura adwuma omo ye no onum nso no kura no ogira nchen o tete so o de beto ho
no akọ
refund especially onwa Sebi from colleagues who do German colleagues and as a state guys na ho no omo adwuma kese ade mu omo de to aduane di no nti igbo hu se that's been seen esisi kromo no omo de bia omo sechi mu se de be ya omo benya
bottles
so aban de taxes ato plastic so a business are costing from MPP NDC say size can away
taxes no mo de atoto
size can away e dey adwuma no mo dey up to now no answer and so omaji taxes are a huge amount enu nko akura no e bit ma cleaning mess so instead say any person den na say the university one shemra bia e be protect wo no ama enya dia we be ka so be ban no amanfo e be fa achiri na wo mo de fa ha na enu so abe smuggle all the companies use we rubber ni nyina enu an se mo de taxes no ato so se mo ti na mo de akotu adwuma e foka nti your vendors na mo wo market bia vendor wo ho containers si abontin oduru ho a osroto ni insider na sika na yi aba na oko nti rubber bia meda abontin na obi akoka se ye de akotu gota mu ana se de akotu na ban no be se nya sika e wo ho e be se create employment so over band o taxes no so be se lusu sai sika na nya free we mu no o band ta we na o be se lusu so why don't you create job
I na ye problem no say u ka say ensure we or say one more some motivation be to so 1 CDB Ghana ha sab ensure we ye the 1 CD kan ho sesia amanfa so bebu wo Ghana na ban oba e say wa man nsure boy
ya nka say ye de anka ye say fa kona kwaji usika ye mfanto so say chichira wo sika wo ye fees or ye okay no because say oba me abroche me fie e bottles ni nyina ma pack agu ho eduru ba bi na sika ni fie a na maka kire nkwala nse mo fancy form na mo fan goto nso mra they go and sell it and buy the water no mo dey ababi go wakoto drinks bia mo kwa no anse o market a o de ma wonwa uduru kwa na no a yo obi wo ho ba bi wo ho a o de ni nyina abese o de share na osika na yi abro o betima ton in bottles no anya be 50 euros na wasan de akodija na de aba we yen to mu
but is in Europe no ade a plastic boy den wo ho ukoto ade na ohia rubber bag na say any plastic material bia no yesi ne boarding
enu nti ena ne boarding no because ukoja ato abonten a usika no akam I would say any finished product bia abrochiri omo the sanitation tax to so nti eda abonten kra nti na omo so da na omo sisa force no no beto egu ya ha taxes ni nyina so omo de man no omo fa man oku bisa ho asem kra e beka say asem fufuro because before say obeye car na obeton car no ye de okoto car na akone a ne tax ato so
car na wo kwakoto atwene no ye the tax ato so but sa je no ye betimi aye wo ye man mu ha
why not so bitimi ya ade na omo si enko school de moko school esi mu ko na mu go so abebesere huchi bi no mu so manufacture niama na wo de wo yesi abebe pass ene ye kiro ba no kura mu sua enti ade enti na mu nsua ade a ebe benefit ye enti we first say na many MTN for na no issue omo card na o flip wa na rubber kitu abi she ho obia ni ho a obetima flip the we rubber na she ni bottom how many people uye ni see ya na
atofom
na akoto
ya gates
ya anje omo hwe omo bo Ghana kasa so card bia ba bonten ye waste bia no ese e taxi nti e da forma akola bi su be hu afa na oda to the right place no no so anya sika de ato aduane adi so why do you ban it say enkwala politics sana Ghana for enkwala politics nkwane
amanyosem na omo ye na
oni nyina enkwala asem because ade a wo hwe a ye gi ho achinya na ye ka ho asem sabio wa wo bisa questions no hu se asem na omo ka nyina no toro so wa wo ti so na wo tie omo nsem no just opese amanfo te se ehun se sangrofo ya omo ka se omo adwene wo fom no na opese
say Fred say asados say udi weni hwe ye kuro yi mu a ye plastics are ye generate wo Ghana ha for me about almost 80% of our waste insure toa insure yirien say ukoye epoano a etan ama kro no mu etatan aban say sa de no obase wo si hunkwan ne sentino from January 2027 no sa politics na ho nkro ne banyina no obane
ntina me say aban akwadworo na ye no
a lazy man's approach
akwadworo
a lazy man's approach is solving the problem.
I don't know man grofo adwuma nye I didn't know aban no man grofo adwuma nye plastic here a problem na ye adwuma I didn't know more find another alternative.
That's a Ghana hakra me who say eto bia eya amanfo no nam no mo sa bottles
ne ne sapa ni sika no a ewo no ewo fom
sika no wo fom enya enticing
ewo fom kra say ye page sika no kakra bi sepe ba kokora ni ho ebe da bonte and we be no hu scraps that dey wa bonte
edin
ewo fie kra na ebewia nti ye page we mu kakra bi a bottle na si fie o no nso no kra na obi gina wo nchen enti we nya adwuma obesan ma ye taxes a ye gino we say so no ye besan lusu Ghana besan lusu ska so say me so mbeti my advice na omo emma plastic no omo fa refund into plastic obi company bia or ye nsuo or ye bibia ye plastic bia no ye free bibi refund omo fa refund no
em to so
yeah enti refund no uwie na de brand no abeju sika.
Okay this the whole kind of there specifically no what address the bottle mineral water
everything plastic
now you know makra what adwum kra de na time okoto ade ada rubber tuntum
no mutimi fa be 3 4 me fem say funti enti say ukọ market na opese de rubber chichira de ma wa na wato
awa abrochire no
abrochire sa na ye no say ope rubber
ubeto rubber no
say paper bag no kra ye to
but onye ni say paper bag no a better alternative chain rubber
ni nyina ye nwura
but enra no rubber no na many EP penyin ba ku di nkomo he tells me say rubber no it take about 500 years and so na decompose
100 years yeah by
paper de inshogu su kakra pro eni asase na ba ko
o hwe ye niema ye dwa ye di no na o ka say o de paper bag kwa akoto ade o market a unru fie kura na ahwe agu
ye wo bags de bi wo so ayetime de ntoma ye
yeah ntoma no so okay ntoma so metal
sure
yeah ba ni nyina no say ya nton kire ni say ade no ye the taxes beto so na aye valuable say aye valuable and da bontin issue ni nyina no say nipa no say onya bibia afo obeto akure because onim say me no nsuo we am nim say mfaso obi ani so ese me tokune ba say aka kire me say nsuo we say me no wi a metima refine no agi misika rubber bag a me koto eniema no me ko ana maka kire me ma no say mu si for ma mu mfa
rubber bag
because bag no say almost I think say €1 or 80 something euro depending the case ya
okay
o beto nti se wo ko na se wan fa bag na o koduru agi so
otofofro
o di beduru fie so a abaye waste
Ghana has so the bag here 10 pesos 20 pesos e bi okra otokra ye de chew
first no Europe sana no mo ye no na o mo de che okwa adodo bi a ope bi a no mbo na Ghana for okra wi ade bagana Na Ghana for we okwa no asesa ne bebiri na o da begu fie o pake ne ma bia na o da gum obehu ze beba Ghana kra na o moton enti sisi no omo mfa ngu ho say free biem sisi no yeton enti okwa ne boarding enti oto a onton kone obetima di adidwa be 10 times nensei enti aban wonsua ade a wonim no na wasua
basa aban person no so esua eye Rwanda Bangladesh opeso esua eye Kenya opeso esua South Africa and other nations
omo an create job so on say make can just we nfa so bebere wo mo so the create job obenyeska but Africa no why are we always thinking meaning said
yeah dream no your problem as ABB before
Intiasio opa abanfa sikantu so na hwese empoano na ensu oto na ohu a wenum na ohu ne kase o
Roberts no
enti sika wo ma hwa na be ma na ko ngoto dade se dampoano ho da even nsu no to no kra na scrap dealers na mu a omo hwehwe se obi dade ebeko so look at this
one set another screen
enti fane se ba ko e 1 CD ebi no ma ya ma na ye anya mfaso wo so ebe kokura and yes no ebi timi de asan na ne plastic we nyina asan ye fufura recycling enko kra raw materials ensan ba biemo ye wi a ye de ye kotugu free na ya san akoto raw materials fufuro ni asan de aba ba ye adwuma da bio I to say on say here for boka pa say him say here for boka here for boka pa because here ni de bia okoto baako no aba bedi na wasan akoto baako no aba bedi ba uko onwa edi omo ho na
omoto no
bog ntu yi TNT kura free mu a TNT nkwan kura de koto ade no kura e profitable it's a time so we time a we waste now they are quite up and down and you see a profitable
Jorobon mamintil let me pass aside to me Jorobon mamintil on this subject.
Yeah, I think say I'm enjoying the conversation pa this a view here near man or there to come I think say idea say abai ni sua ebeboa but then again no me approaching a different way say Ghana here economy no now here as a developing country so state no be a yenye nduru sa in the sense say o the tax be two ways so adi way say ye tono 2 cedis one here ebe kosoro akoduru be 4 cedis which means say the purchasing power become a problematic
for because
but you see
what
I'm saying is maybe we issue with a ban vis-a-vis the all year in terms of sanitation and that's compliance no yeah no must Ghana for you like you need marasu ye date ye ampa but then bisa mo say ko circle ko kejitia ko thermal central how many dustbin do you see around there say even if the dustbin no kwa wo ha etimi ye ma 1 week ni em 5 say you can say if this thing regularly be near discard ya yes we some Ghanaians be still anomu ni so but you also get a good number they also put it there. So my issue has to do with it. You see, once I know kind about recycling. No?
Yeah.
I side with him completely because Abano are located about 400 million Ghana cedis or they call recycle compost. Me pese any opportunity be obenye biano. On my Ghana for you who say Sas can do those in the release na recycle compost I could do say because say was her name we were here at this a bottle of no do Dr. Mensa who who fee pay go. It's disgusting. So many the arm of the view say I ban especially the 4 major cities and I say 5 major cities no. On making sure that we have these sanitations dustbins around and also quite employment. Now in as much as so they are but not say Ghana had the didn't say yeah they any bar acha ye one man the refi the ohwe so say ekọ ne ba no obi refi biem baba ne de ba ye make sure say every time every day be it is regularly what discarded say ne be ya de be ne ko ye once go market ya wo kaze ni bokono yin etimi bi utimi no ma de we upe ba bi kra de ebe kuta wa you are forced to also what discarded there.
Be a mebo bokra me de ahye bukotoku. Yes,
that uba fie kra na you see uba fie kra hwe look at mo go round ese mo gige bola no. Abubu ya no hwe ba bi look at ha mo ye no. Eno kwan ko sase efi o ye wi abubu ya efa ne no ha hwe ba bro de ko. Buku ba bi na ko se okwan na nje. O mutumi dwiri bi gu. O no de ko side go no.
Asam na o kan no no correct because na no pay. And I said no pa. Me PS na me koto ade o do me crossing no. Me do ho na hu say abobo ya hwie bola bi egu kwan no.
Obi hwie egu. But say you cast say Tamazum Lion buy no e na eye adwuma especially Accra Kumasi the big cities no. And you they shouldn't do our work until be a daytime o. Ya pon adwuma na ekufie no. That's somebody's work and it should be enticing. You see ade ba ko asan so ye arehosem say who kai na say Zoom like is ne buy na.
Yeah.
And you listen to how much you paid. It's so disgusting. 250 Ghana cedis.
A man of prapra no.
250 Ghana cedis on the Ghanaian standard today. So at the end of the day, no, you can even bring this policy, but when the pay is not enticing, Ghanaians will not own up say So one, yes, tax say be that can be another way. But if that notwithstanding, the sanitation ministry and us are buying no, any very deliberate say make okra dustbins.
Sanitation is now under
it's now under
local government.
Local government. Yes. Local government. Abandoning deliberate. See, I'm going to say, abandoning cleanliness and now say they dealing with wastage now. Government should approach it like they will approach a big push. I see me in the because flood nekusuna who trace here the root cause of 40% account. Because if the gutters are choked, how will the river body flows? And so these are the root cause. If not, so time send no cause circle. But my 10 minutes, you don't even meet a dustbin along the way. Okay, from a Ghanaian, you know, Netherlands. I will say the system is working on because I say the Dutch passport is bigger than the
yeah, Mr. Happiness.
Mr. Happiness. Or you know, so continue running go fake. What the encash a precise sophisticated system no dustbin should be made available.
But Ghana for yeah the dustbin dey be sisi ho a.
Me bi ankanta.
Debi nyamotre. Dustbin no ye dey be sisi ho ebi mo awia.
Good.
Dustbin ni ye dey be sisi ho obi di ball abefifie aba behwe egu.
E ampa.
Etima bam.
Ebe bam. Me ka
bam.
Me be sira o me say. He tam ne nkola no na o do friend sama. Omo ba ofi a. Tata me 18 class no. E fekeke. Ye na from sama.
Ya o betro sama.
Me too. I need to I'm telling you.
There more than 40.
There be nyabotre. E bia no no ekurase. Ekurase dey.
Ekurase dey na wo.
Ekuraba nsi na now.
Me no for no.
Nothing.
Ball ekurase bo da ba yi man kuma wona yi no. Ana mo baba. No mo ba no metu na se ho aye fia. Ye charge o ma oje. E bia se dina me ba me dem be to pa. And e makura me say the effort. You see data makers and say you to crew na COVID buy. You see no man say dey. When government insisted, now the answer. Hey, flood the year, nothing never goes home. You see, me who news to be 2010, they were discussing about it. And then beside was say, Intia could draw a initiate a policy 16 years down the line. Do you know the orientation and sending a Ghana for BJD? When you are bringing a policy in Ghana, it's not a one day where you. It is consistently 5 years down the line. No. Ghanaians, you have some good Ghanaians already.
I was a banning.
Band I know we unemployment rate. What I am of the view is say government should rather regularize it. Say in as much as a system no, but it should not also be a major cost to your flooding system.
The Plastic Manufacturers Association of Ghana. How much them say it is going to cost about 5.3 million job losses
on this a year.
On the
and that would be huge. That would be huge on the where already you are struggling on unemployment numbers. And you see, didn't make us say, I buy or my beco year is the private
but before
sector.
Plastics, you know,
the private sector.
Before plastics, you know, not Ghana power. Yeah, you use paper bags. Some paper bags are away.
And they be say, no, before then, no. We share the rate.
Yeah, you use paper bags.
And the Ghana forcing over catch almost go back to that system. You beat me. Plastic has become part of us. See, you free assist the system. A bed because I don't know. Or more the name way back. You better find no alternative. You find no alternative. I be no pay out anymore. We be free be go. So me the say abandon should be deliberate. The policy and the compliance, that should be the key thing. Say be at every vantage area be here. Me say abandon to me consistent only 1 year. E to me because wo Ghana ni, wo ko to plastic go abontia. One wo yonko Ghana ni never bo. But and then so ultimately na ma ko kechi obi say on fat ball no be say me fa me de koto hin. And you can't answer. But who does be no be the idea to her? Because and the person who have no moral right to question you, so I didn't always will be side. So maybe compliance should be the key, and then of course this option or their bans can also be looked at.
Okay. Aside to that person, bim not the na person can
say you know can you na umba na mystery because ya ye ni na the containers sisi abontin.
Yeah.
Omudi kuzisi okora me kan kire omo say emboa omo. And so omo yes our policy no be per job nti and once omo kra containers ne buy and it is abontin edu ba bi
zoom lion for
and actually kra MPB anowo say new achimota ho on so yema oye nadia edisisi wunyina that's been no disi ho a ombewia say wo de kra isi wo kwan ano kra mpo no
obi befa
omo efa and you did that's been by Christ said that's been you free.
Yeah.
I hear that's been. They be a mechanic as you say provision is better than cure. So say local government can say yen as a waste management yen kochiche that's been. Me see me chebiu. Me che that's been almost about 1 million.
One kasa. Which that's been almost about 1 million.
Yeah. And that's been a board in saying car be for ball. So that's been 1 million. Number 106.
Yeah.
At that time, which is 2016. A lot of money.
A lot of money.
And I may be some say, oh, that's been EVA. Na say only car cry and if it comes to sanitation, I buy beer who are ready for sanitation. The omo kan nyina ya tro.
When it comes to sanitation,
obi MPP and this omo nyina tro no mudi. Obi ani who are ready.
Sanitation.
Yeah.
They are not ready.
Dabi.
What makes you think so?
MPP abamba omo ko yi sanitation ministry.
Yeah.
They say then ya we. Edem pa na sanitation ministry no. Obe wa maybe be zero obebo abanka.
Sanitation ministry under NPP Nanado
zero obebo abanka. And NDCO MPP se who be a government why ready say final sanitation site obeye bi na yenya ba bi a ye de bola ebegu a kanche omo se hu omboa nyina obi ebe pesika di
it is kase omutwa
uni baby a woda uni bi o se o kan dan asem o kan baby e da asem na wo ka bi baby e to bola gu no Ghana ye ni bi sanitation site a ye to bola gu ho se aha ene ye recycle site obi amfa ball anko ana ye pa amna bia na ye to ball anigum amna na odi ball egum no amna bia nsu firi ha na firi ha ena eba nti babia odi ball ani begu bia na eya amna na odi egum no even area hokura nsu kura wono ma obenya cancer
abrochire system na sanity
ye sheno
omo sheno
na e dia generate electricity ye recycle ye we nu nyina free mu nyama ehia nyina free mu wie na waste na intimation ye composting no ne de manure no ne bibia nua ne free mu de intimin use biom no ye hye no oman bia oye on sanitation on person nyama no be we say no ye wo omu ye wo your friend is saying baby am fan say baby incinerator incineration machine kesia supply electricity nti bola bia o de beko bia okwa fe o de oka chiko na ohwie na o de agum period na amanfo so ho ye adwuma na okọ Europa sanitation kwa create employment a lot among minimum number no by is a lot among because ubia sanitation ya adwuma kese ai wo wiase me ready 2000 na me hu say Ghana your problem and I'm say me ba Ghana na maba beboa because now where bank can say is almost about over 200 years and Ghana betimi di sanitation esunkunim na me say wow and there is opportunity there and me buy
is opportunity when you hwe
my say me buy no na here the trucks donkeys wheelbarrows and a necessary baller buy asat na ya ka say ye wo kasa akesia enam krom mi hankasa mi wo 10 wo Kumasi mi wo 35 for Accra so ya improve and this 200 years I think say ya teso kakra because first no see am no ka say baller Accra hankwan yetimi sisa just 40% 60% aka nyina no ni nyina.
Oh, you have a company, right?
Yeah, this Asadu Waste.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Asadu Waste. Oh, okay, that's fine. Wow.
So one who said and say mobile is anymore. Yentimi mfa. Nowhere to be. Truth. Maybe I know how they call.
Whoa.
So as company.
So
I'm also sana. Have you made an effort? Some small baby a refugee go na.
Unni kwan. Bola belongs to the government. And for the say ukra obeye no eh baby a won kwa kohwiagu am number kwase EP kra em ma kwan. As at now me no kasa yen na ya find land bi ewo Winneba and na de kogu ha. Unya baby to bola.
I think this is a conversation we must have again. Now, Mama who say, "Una Asadu Waste near Wodier." I think there are some insights. I was yet tapping from you.
Yeah.
So what catch a bina a bind here through this medium? No, perhaps they will pay attention. But my main cow say endpoint homeopathic clinic and we almost are sunny. But I trust what even can they now yare kwan crojo when you stroke when you stroke ya dear we or bow person fro ma bema ankasa no tum say obema yobiano endedi enamu sayade kutia wo dia me pacho pomodi na compare endpoint homeopathic clinic cha kwan Dr. Dubo atensa no adwuma no obi a wonya ndwudwe wo da ho obi a sabri wo yade nipa no je ne ho anje ontimi nsore nkwa asabia me pacho endpoint homeopathic clinic say to bomodi na friend number we o friend number na ayade a o mabefie na wo mabehwe yarefo no dia mawo number na 0244 867068 0274 234321 Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Yeah, but I say, I said, call time herbal mission. I catch your dada. Say, when you're malaria, ya dear, and when you join this, when you're typhoid, me pacho we draw on a time herbal mixture. Wa we jume ding, wa appetite na yira, and now hana hu yo basa no phone bomodi na kope time herbal mixture danom. Onu my idea hu beton temper. Na time HH mixture na the capsules on the dear, aye du twem, aye man memedro, oba wa himfie ho. Dear man said, Uncle, yeah, a time HH mixture and then the capsules. Bema, Obama, and Timim Wedjume ye. Debia Ubossikwa, and Asa da Bridua. The Pacho would draw on a time HH mixture and the capsules. And Namun Sanja Debiano, Ecutia. And no more Pebiatoa, drugstore pharmacy shop be a beono. A idea one Sabeka. Bombarding now for 0244 417 669. 21st Clinic, Sciatica originator, the pay setter, sciatica commander bako pe, yare sciatica wo yapao. Eso tumpo nu na pie osirem na ko pie onase na ama onan ba kwa loko emu be ye o yasa sa yade na your friend sciatica age 21st clinic nkwa age 21st clinic nkwa so wo hwehwe omo akra a Tantra Hill runabout a honorable 21st clinic so what tema one more Roman asondan echi ho so walk aswa one more new market obom kwan no so so wo Kumasi a one more twa overseas be dia SOMPA FM e wo no so wo sunyane a omni regional hospital first gate na di hwe ne mo Tachiman, Babyana GN Bank, what a honorable woman. So one cransa, Omo Bang Children's Park. Takwa, Omo Bang, Omo low cost building, Baby SOMPA FM, Takwa, the one who if you come on over 9 Texas station. Bombarding Fred 21st Clinic. It was 0540 311 311. 0540 311 311. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Awochi.
Yeah, me pacho wana mena nekase.
Baba tanfo. ABC, I'm Kevin Abede.
ABC, pacho ma NTO.
Nchia koma NDC no nya mission pa na bochu ankala so ani mamu nya.
Yo.
Abochu o say, ubisa wherever question bia afi no mutumi ya no. Especially deputy
Deputy Defense Minister.
Ubisa say percentage na mo de ka ho. Only so no traffic, no traffic. I'm going to Casa. Who besides I was what they are two MP. Who besides say how many percent now? Was it 98? So can 98? Okay,
I'm okay.
The patcho. What's it? One kata a weapon. Only president, for president. Also, Cobiano. Now, 98. No, what you Cobiano? Oh, MP for me.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, me pacho wana mena nekase. Lafia hello, baba ya be. Wala na geshe kare. Okay. Yeah.
About you,
me name ji so ka che.
So to we pe as a petty at all no. We can want this year. So asama da na ka na ya pa. Na dan when you want the artist now we do what you call. I said the guy was a man in Janyamba. Okay? Naman Jambra and San was the time, and I can't see camera. Then you take one of the time to ball and now ball. Then you won't come out. And I say, I thought hospital at some of kind.
Yeah.
Massa. Moving kind of question, no. Then could do no defense
MPP.
It's not MPP. The catch was say, so Jambra and a Papano car. Massa. And then you would say, Ghana, and a Oban Kaiser Ghana, you want to put away your Gropano. Can then you could do that in the past, you so Jamra and all Kadia, and you'll see a MPP. You would say, I'm going to show a job with one here. React and son of what you do.
Midase pass over. Hello, good evening.
Thank you, Abochi.
Yeah, me pacho wana mena nekase. Wadarma.
That me refi against them how.
Elliot, baby, say, Elias, my NTY.
Yes. Well, this NPP no one say. Also, this one.
Me bacho onye MPP ni bi eni ha o defend obia. When tie program no.
Me tipa.
Then I'll tell you comment yanko.
So I'll see a company, a bio, Kumasi, a bio Accra.
And no, one can say one onye MPP new. Yes, sanitation expert.
Fine,
all right.
If the son say, or if how many people in company? I know or Tia Omu. Okay, this is Zoom like 250.
And yeah, on a can NDC ni Jorobon. Even today, Crano, one year man yourself. Or no, I can't say seven.
All right.
Me patrol say when tie me. Why? Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Abochi na odi zai.
Me ho ye pa. Patrol wana me ne kase.
Eben kwa benya.
Eben me patrol ma me tie why.
Me da che. Ma me ntia minya NDC Jerobo.
Okay.
Na mana onene kasa na wakasa pa na me ni age me kasa ho. Me sire o ma mpeni. Se bit na adi na o chwe me yen tap into the man.
Sure.
I think say ebe boa o mine. Because senior all can all the ones say yeah politics you may move. But yeah, say we do the politics to create job for the youth. Because me can say and next JD Mofana Maban, I'm going to say yeah we are Benjamin Breno. Say politicians are I'm telling you, 10 years ahead of us, I'm telling you, the Gen Z generation will rise up against politicians in this country. If you message me, man, Penny say. Papa needs some more can you tap because if you because who chef plastic companies are those little the senior you bet me again Asisadiako. Na ama the youth in Senya Jumano. Let's throw Mampeni because we are in the era of resetting agenda. Now, ABOTCHIE me, no.
Yeah.
Me, I can say categorically, say the party MPP or a disgrace. I mean, a disgrace.
Oh, Debbie, you are being too harsh on them. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me bacha wana me can say.
Abacha yasem na amwa me kasa fi SBA ewo agreement on for instance.
Wadarma ye da say ma kwa ba mind ti why.
ABOTCHIE. Let's go. Tablo me to bin kan on fa kan ya so ma me wa.
Me pacho ye ti o ko weni wanya bre.
Ko ko ni ABOTCHIE. And the air course of social media minority in parliament our head sector almost I said the Kumasi ya che mom tono ABOTCHIE we give the enfani kwamu. I said the Kumasi na kenin. I never seen him. And your one can you go to Mr. And you face the extra bamba power no. And as I go almost at was some in the guy that I bomba. Who the people are going to be uncle? Almost the only more minor, almost minor bro. Because that after hospital is doing and machine food. And because I didn't get the center. If it's the year, it's go from here, you go to here. And then the machine for what? I will tell you.
Even the 98% now MP in the car, you know. It's still questionable. We'll do a follow-up and check from the contractors. We'll do a check from the contractors to actually see, say, that hospital, the 98% they are talking about, you know. Me that's a person. Oh, bye. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, me bacha wana me le say.
We are free for prof because every cantamanto.
Free for my minti why.
Yo money my power ya bo manga na nyampon sho ma onyansa ni agenke.
Amen.
Amintia onabo bo ache ja. The federal gate me mo fa ni bo ache ja kono me chairman MNPP ni timi power.
What can we ko wenim?
Mamo ani say onipa no oto no no a bi ni mo taxes no NDC or NPP no. Wakasa ye nothing no ye young de pa me tie wo mo ni say NDC NPP no we are ready say or fight etia sanitation no.
Sure.
I want to crepa papa. Yentra me support na ye no kre say so no be to ball go etika no for ball no a what you call yi obo na our the minimum kromo sa o hu ba di odi ko no aduna ka so abo na odi ko na ta tubu ko oba attachment ha no a check police station attachment and starting force police station no that president down one egusu no e me for ba no ba sa bola no o mo ti sa enu sa de nse na ka ye ho ma e ti se be bi o ko to bola me ku no eni ha Adeba ko ne say adeba ko a me share Ghana ban yeah say Yura Mahama na also ne say sa woma nadmo me kanino say womu bo ma fo dan no me sin be pay wo ho anemo mo no womu ma kan ni mo mu ti sa dan no womu ye yo mo dai.
All right, we that say me for Fredo Chacho. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ka say.
Me pacho Ejako Abra me ka se do ko ni interest.
Ejako Abra ma minti why.
ABOTCHIE ye mo opinion to studio no ye mo na baso.
Sure.
Me so okay bia no o je ka no ko no. Me say abane say and then you see the standard
plastics. Sure.
Oh, kana. Me do say ele kwan so. Dan so on information ele bo ban gere mu wa. Betimi afa no ana. Enti oman nte be ben dumping side that betimi be e bola akukuo. Na na o kara ABOTCHIE so okoto water now no. Now time the water empty and akuna yata ma water be you no no ma. Obo danka e sibeba so mana.
Debbie, you celebrate the day and enjoy. Nyame shraw. I feel say dia da wakuma so apese nyame ye ma obia no. Me gire pi say